Hello, today I'll be reviewing the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver, the toy version obviously. As you can see, very good detail of the series. It might even be something metal constructed on it, but it's mainly plastic. They're authentic. You can see the green diode there, and it's the noise as well. Two noises actually, and it's 10 in the series, and with this button here, it's how you activate it when it's extended. Pretty cool. That's one of the downsides I'd say, because, well, like that means you can't access it when it's up like this. So just a bit annoying, but no biggie. Also, well, don't really have much else to say. It's a great replica, and I think it's actually best from the 10th Doctor's one. Okay, that's all I have to say. Please check back for another review another time.